But I tell you, I'm going to do some fishing around by point tonight, you know. Because we're trying to fish right in the little front part of the at first point. And too much weed out there, so I decided to go down to point. But I have to carry the van to park it at my friend's place because I can't leave it up here. I can't fish and feel comfortable leaving my van right here. So I have to carry the van down to my friend's house and then walking back to the seaside now. So I'm gonna pick up my things now and head on down to point, alright? Me and Kerry set some line tonight. Going up to about 12 o'clock tonight, so we don't know what we're gonna hook up, but hopefully we can hook up something. We catch you later on and hook up. So stay tuned, alright? So come back. So guys, we can finally reach point now, you know. Yeah man, I want to set out no time, we don't waste no time because I want to catch the daylight run before nightfall, you know. So night so far, so I'm just set out them two ready right now. Not even a point set up, you know. Not even a point set up because I'm going to use them small rather than a point, you know. But I never carry the big one because I never plan to fish around point, you know. But them still can go out with something still, you know. Because I'm the behind the rod. Yes people, so yeah, see there now, one there so carry around over that side there and the whole bathtub right there, so about carry around the behind the bathtub. So yeah, wait now for the run. I'll start see if we can find some bait now. Eh? Start jig now. Now set up the one there because the one there is small line. I can find any bait before it gets too dark, you know. Alright, so let us go and see if the bait is around here. So because sometimes some bait travel around here so in the evening right here. So let's see if we can travel right here so now I can jump on our shoulder. You know? I never get any bait at all, you know. We try jetty, couldn't get any bait at all. Get one, just a few. Come and set out on the first point, and then see some bait come down on the first point. So we throw the bait can catch about 5. Another 5 bait now we carry around here, so I say, boy, I set them out. I don't like come up point it out bait still, you know. I don't like come up point it out bait at all, but true curious say. Make it come on a point because really and truly too much weed on the first point. Can't take the whole weed in the water. You know? So make it come around this side. So I don't know if you've got to pick up any bait right here so now because I can't even see them in the water. I can't see the bait, it's just blind cast. Me a blind cast, it's a bait, you know, I see. You can pick up 1 or 2, throw in the bucket. Can have about 5 more to spare before the 5 after that get eat off. We'll pull some good fish, pick it up so we can catch them before and we don't lose off of the bait them, the 5 good bait. Look at this pretty little fish, people. I catch him on the sabiki a while ago, look at him. Like a yellow jack. That's what they call yellow jack? Alright, it's a different species. Who knows the species of fish? It's a jack species, but I don't know if it's a yellow jack. Look at it. These little fish is a beautiful little fish. See that? Look at the pattern, man. It's a jack family, but I don't know what kind of jack is this. Does anybody know what kind of jack is this? A beautiful little jack. See there? I'm throwing back now, yeah. Now go back into the water, I don't know how big it grow. Here, fish on, man, fish on. Like a turn back that though. Look like one, don't it? Yeah man, a stinger. From me see it barely It barely I been over and I go. I know say stingray. You know, grab and bounce like a big good fish, you know? Yeah, so you know say first run that. First run. I forget say you wanna have the stingray thing on there, you know, they call it a trophy. Anyhow, I want that stingray. Oh, you cut off a leader. Okay, good. Alright, stingray that. We still come back again for another good run. Jerry. Zero? Yeah. Oh, but you're jack slack, Master. How can I? Turn back. Whoa! Alright, come. Got beat up a stinger right there now. Come in, stingers. You're near still now. Sit down here. Sit down right at the hedge right there, you know. No, sit down, can feel it here. Stuck. Come up, boy. Eh? Ah, he moved there. Come in, stingray boy, come in. Come back, you have to come back. Now where you find this? Yeah. Oh, where you strong, you know? 40 pounds where you see me. Come here, boy. Come here, man. Come here. The far one.
I'm gonna get tired though. Our group of them, man.
Eh?
Our group of them, man.
Our group of them. Yeah. Go back around there now. Nah, go back around there now. Come man, how you go? Come. I put on the bait here, you know. Him done chaka up already, so I just put him on, I think. Just run it, I'm seeing me, so just put him on, see if it's alright. Maybe I get around with him. I have wire pan this as leader too, you know, wire leader, so. Alright, no, cut off the tail, right? See it here. Try this and see if it works. This does a dead bait. Right. So this is it, people.
You know, I'm gonna put your knife.
Dead bait.
Yeah?
No, something, no, you put that in. I'll try him out now and see if I can get something from the dead bait. Come, let's go now. Out there. Come like it don't even drop near to her. I don't even feel like it dropped just right in front of me. I don't even know, it feel like it dropped right in front of me. Yeah. Alright. This one down now, right? Turn back the lights. Set back the jug. All right. Come on, man, where are you? Fish on, people, fish on. That's what kind of fish is now.
Too big?
No, not big. Yeah. Just feel like I want snapper. Don't come off, you know. Don't ever come off. Oh, come on, come. I'm shaking, you know. Come in, man. Yo. Snapper. See the people? Lane snapper. Beautiful lane snapper. See that?
On the wire.
On the wire, man. It's lane snapper. Yeah, people. Nice one. Lane snapper. Beautiful. Bigger than half phone. Phone size snapper. See here, guys. Lane snapper, huh? Fish on every time. Put him in the box. Yeah, go down in the box. Down there so you have to stay. So.
You have to look on that one day.
That's how you do it.
Back again now.
Throw him out and put. Let's get snapper. Snapper for them. What you mean? Throw him back out, right out now. Alright. Cut bait, guys. Snapper. There it is. So come back. So guys, it's getting late now, you know. It's time to pack up and leave now. Run out of bait and stuff, you know, we don't have any more bait, so we never get no bait today at the jetty and more than so. We come we use the sabiki and catch a few bait around here. And that is the bait we're using from whole day, for the whole day, whole evening. Yeah. See there? I just put on a bait and it's not too long. And I see the rod make two jerk and see there? See there? Gone already. So that's basically it for the night, you know. Come on, time to go. So guys, we're gonna take up that one and then leave out of this place, alright? So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, alright? Fish on every time.